Ever pondered how to navigate the bustling London airport like a seasoned local? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to demystify this labyrinth of terminals, gates and lounges so that you can traverse it with the ease and confidence of a Londoner. Our journey begins at the point of arrival. Whether you've flown in from New York or hopped on a train from Manchester, the first step is to orient yourself. Look for the airport's comprehensive signage system. These well-placed signs will guide you to immigration, baggage claim, and eventually, the exit. Once you've collected your bags and made your way through customs, you're ready for the next phase: transportation. The London airport is well serviced by a plethora of transport options. Opt for the Heathrow Express if you're heading to central London. It's swift, efficient, and the journey to Paddington Station takes a mere 15 minutes. Alternatively, the tube is a budget-friendly choice, with the Piccadilly line connecting to numerous city hotspots. But what if you're in transit, with a lengthy layover ahead? Fear not, the London airport offers a multitude of amenities to keep you entertained and comfortable. Seek out one of the many lounges for a quick nap, a hot shower, or a sumptuous meal. Some lounges even offer spa services, turning your layover into a mini vacation. For those with a penchant for retail therapy, the airport's duty-free shops are a treasure trove. From high-end fashion to gourmet chocolates, there's a shop for every taste and budget. And if you're in the mood for a pre-flight pint, the airport boasts a wide array of bars and restaurants. Now let's turn our attention to the dreaded departure process. Check in online to save time and arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before your flight. Once you've dropped off your luggage, navigate to security. Remember to remove your electronics and liquids from your carry-on and follow the instructions of the security staff. After security, locate your gate. It's wise to head there first before exploring the numerous shops and eateries. And remember, gate numbers can change, so keep an eye on the airport monitors. To summarize, navigating the London airport with local-like savvy involves 4 key steps. First, orient yourself and follow the signs. Second, choose your transportation wisely, considering your destination and budget. Third, make the most of your layover with the airport's array of amenities. Finally, master the departure process with online check-in and prompt arrival at your gate. With these tips in your arsenal, the London airport becomes less of a maze and more of a playground. So next time you find yourself in this global travel hub, stride with the confidence of a local, knowing you've got the inside scoop on how to navigate the London airport like a seasoned traveller.